And I want to share a story with you around how this works and how this can take effect. And if it's okay with you, Eve, I'm going to share a little bit about your journey. Yeah. So we're talking probably 3 months ago?
Yeah.
3 months?
2 or 3, yeah.
2 to 3 months. So as Eve said, she's here at 4 now. Yeah. 2 to 3 months ago, Eve was diagnosed with Crohn's. Yeah. But through emotional work and energy healing work and through physical foods that have been put in the body, yeah, and changing of environments that Eve was in. And hats off to Eve because she's done the work herself, but through my support and Eve doing the work, we've been able to take her from here to here in 3 months. Yeah. So the reason I'm sharing this with you is because no matter where you are, we can always bring you back up if you understand the natural elements of the body, the 5 energies of the body, and how they work. Yeah. And understanding that each energy is in our food. There's stuff in our environment that creates it as well. And when you can understand those and change those, that's when you can get back to 0 stage, which is there's no accumulations, no pressure, your body's just fully in tune, fully in balance.